Say something funny.
Something funny.
Alright guys, so this is just a little bit of a video of Burnham Wood fireworks. It was the last year that they did them and the first year that I went to go see them, and it was really cool. I had a lot of fun, and the grand finale was something else, guys. I mean, it was really good. Got it on film. Computer just made a noise. And I didn't really vlog this too intensely. It was just a bit of a chill, relax, and record the fireworks moment. And I hope you guys like it as well. It's just kind of a chill video. Also, real quick, a piece of the equipment for the camera a part came today, so let me grab it. Alright, here it is. It is basically a fader, I guess. I don't know what else you'd call it. It goes on the camera. Let me open it up here. Hello? There we go. So, goes on the camera, and I'll be putting that on. So basically, this is what it looks like without it. Alright, so this is with the fader on. I won't be needing the lens hood anymore, right now anyway, because I have the fader on. Yeah, that is really nice. I will be keeping this for sure, though. Don't get me wrong. I might be using this over the fader at certain times. It just depends, probably. So put that down. So even if you don't see a difference right now, I will show you something pretty cool. Alright. So let's go ahead. You see that? I'm getting darker and darker. And now it's completely dark. And we're coming back around, and now it's pretty bright. So yeah, look at how bright that is now. Let me get it a little bit darker here. Okay, so that is kind of what the whole point of the fader is. So if it's too bright outside, I can just make it a little bit darker using the fader, and things automatically look better. This basically does the same thing, except I feel like the fader allows me to customize it a little bit more, have a little bit more control. So yeah, that's the deal on the fader. So anyways, let's get back to the video. Also, I gotta put these in my car at some point. Oh. Yep.
It might be coming soon.
Right.
I like watching how it's really excellent. Cute. Drink. Gotta pay good money for this.
Can we like mix this?
I'm legitimately going.
What are you doing?
There's a tree in our way.
Andrew, are you good over there?
Hurry up, the grass is wet. I don't like it.
I made that blanket.
Really?
Did you really? Yep. I made it by myself. Did you like get lazy and then?
You know what my favorite part is?
What do you mean get lazy?
It's not very long.
True.
But it came pre-cut.
Okay.
I had longer ones.
What are we cheering about?
If I told you, you wouldn't even believe it. If this game, you definitely an achievement. Staying for the brain, those are thoughts of a genius. Running through a play, but a nose to receive it. Touchdown, she the type of girl to be out riding with a top down. I've been trying to get it, I've been thinking about a lot now. Gotta take a shot now. Bear man's trying to steal, so they trying to put a lockdown. But I got this. She the type of girl that have no hashtags and still be the trending topic. Make her own money, she ain't going through your pockets. Body so sweet, make you call the orthodontist. Jeez. Got me feeling so nervous. Everything about it so perfect. Sending weird signals like a phone in bad service. Got my mind turning. She ain't never heard I'm a killer. West side, hold up. I'm a Maple Leaf boy. Red and white is what I bleed, boy. Filipino got Manila in my jeans, boy. Pegged down like Pacquiao. She low key, but she showing on the map now. So I'm trying to go and follow out the route now. But she moving everywhere like surround sound. Damn, now I'm getting caught up. Every second, minute, hour, man, I swear that her name be getting brought up. I guess she really means something. She been in my dreams, she been giving sweet loving. Always standing out like she got your knees bugging. She a pretty penny, nothing like a dime a dozen. Heartbeat straight running, I ain't trying to fall in love, but you know I've been doing my thing. Oh Caroline, you make my heart sing. Look so divine, I can't stop watching. How your body so fine, my mans be talking like Jay. You should really wipe that, she be on the right track. I ain't even sure if it's like that, but if it is, she can get the biz. I'll be sure to be out on the first flight back. Tell me what I gotta do, trying to find out how you feel, so I gotta move. Nothing but the real deal, what I gotta lose. Oh, I see you like the wheels, yeah, I got them new. Damn, I really thought you knew. I be crossing over on that 1-2 AI on these guys like the name Ty Lue. Better step through when I drive through. What is that? This is what I do.
I know that's probably a dragon birthday.
Dude. If it wasn't, I can't handle the finale.
This is the worst B-roll I've ever tried. Hi, James. Hey, what's up?
So fine, she ain't even got a best side. Oh my, so divine. She on my mind, no lie. Think it's time that I try and go get my Caroline. Jeez.
Alright, I gotta go put this in my car. I need to go grab scissors. Here we go. Oh wait, maybe I don't need scissors. Whoops. I tell you what, it smells decent. It smells pretty good so far. We got this thing. Sorry, it's so dark. Here we go. And then this is gonna have to snap on. Take this one off. New one on. And there's a new scent. Should I raise it up all the way? How do you think I should have it, guys? What way is up all the way? Let me take it back off. Wait, I should take this out. So I pulled this out. Don't know if you're supposed to. That all the way up. Put this on there. Good enough for now.